In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in USPS. If you're shopping on the USPS postal store for items like stamps, shipping supplies, or branded merchandise, the process is fairly simple. The main thing is knowing where to look during checkout and making sure your code is entered correctly so the discount applies before you pay. To begin, go to the USPS postal store website and browse for the items you want to purchase. Add everything you need to your cart. This could include mailing supplies, collectibles, or other products available through the store. As you shop, it's a good idea to review your selections and quantities so you don't have to make changes later during checkout. Once your items are in the cart, click the shopping cart icon to review your order. From there, continue to checkout. As you move through the checkout process, pay close attention to the order summary area. This is usually where USPS displays pricing details, shipping information, and any available field for discounts. On the checkout page or order summary page, look for a field labeled coupon code, promo code, or discount code. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it should be clearly associated with applying a promotion to your order. When you find that field, type in your coupon code exactly as it was provided. This is important because promo codes are often case-sensitive or may not work if there are extra spaces before or after the text. After entering the code, click Apply. Give the page a moment to update. If the coupon is valid and eligible for the items in your cart, you should see the discount reflected in your order total before you complete payment. Always check that the updated total looks correct so you know the promotion was successfully accepted. One important note to keep in mind is about USPS stamps. USPS generally does not offer official discount codes for postage stamps sold directly through the USPS postal store. That means if you see unusually large discounts on stamps from unofficial sources online, you should be very cautious. The USPS Postal Inspection Service has warned that heavily discounted stamps sold online are often counterfeit. So, before you place your order, make sure your code worked, verify your total, and be especially careful with stamp-related deals that seem too good to be true. That's how to apply a coupon code in USPS.